Hello, Lou. My name is Pedro Gonzalez, and I have a question about my deck. It's about 5, 6 years old. It's treated wood, but the boards keep warping and peeling off. I use all sort of a paint, but it doesn't work. What can be done?
All right, Pedro, get a pressure washer and pressure wash that deck, scrape and sand it so it's ready to go. Now, since you said it was already painted, I want you to use a new product called Rock Solid. It's from Rust-Oleum. Now, this product's been out for a while, but they've reformulated it, and now they have a cleaner and a primer and then the coating. And the secret sauce in this is the primer. You put that down first, let it dry, put the Rock Solid over the top, and it should stick and look great. Here's a question from Deborah. We need to replace our concrete driveway. What's better, asphalt, concrete, or pavers? Deborah, there's really no concrete answer to this. Get it? No, there's a bunch of choices. Like you said, there's asphalt, concrete, pavers. In that order, pavers being the most expensive. The pavers are going to give you the most design benefit, I think, to your home. And it's the only repairable surface, meaning that if something were to sink or they were to crack, you can take the pavers up and replace it. With concrete, very durable, especially if you're going to have a heavy load on top of that, lots of cars or you drive big SUVs. But concrete does crack, so there's a potential there for problems down the line. And then the fix is a little bit more involved. Asphalt, your most affordable, is a definite look. It's black, you've got to reseal it. You got to look at that as to how it looks against the home. If you made me choose, I would do pavers.